Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Capricorn. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Capricorn? What's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, Queen of Swords. You cut someone from your life and you decided to leave behind someone that doesn't serve you anymore because you deserve best. Everyone deserves best and you decided you want best, you deserve best. That's why you decided to cut off this person from your life, even though it is difficult for you. You want to move on from this person because you want happiness, because in this relationship maybe you are feeling burdened, maybe you are only the person always doing the hard work. That's why you want your happiness, you want your freedom from this, because they are putting in waiting mode for some. That's why you decided to move on from this person. For some, children's also involved in this connection, Capricorn. So let's see recent past. Chariot and Emperor and Page of Swords. Yeah, you stand by your power and you are very grounded. Your love life is going very slowly in past, and there is a lot of spying. Maybe in that time there are some disturbances between you and your person. Definitely there is spying going between you and your person. Page of Swords is here, and but you stand by your power. You are trying to control and you are trying to take your power back. And present, Devil, Two of Swords and the World. Yeah, there is obsession and this person is very toxic for you because the Capricorn is here. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, and Devil is here. So the Devil is very toxic energy. And you are very indecisive about decision making in present right now. And the World card, I think some cycles are ending between you and your person. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, but you have to make some decision. But you are indecisive about to make a decision. Two of Swords is here, and the Devil energy. Definitely, this person is very toxic for you. Yeah, maybe they are putting in some insecurity, anxiety energy always. Future, Ace of Swords, Nine of Swords, Three of Swords. So you decided to cut off this person, but some communication is coming towards you, some truth coming out. And even though you cut off this person from your life, you are very heartbroken. For some, there is separation. Maybe you cut them, this person you from your life. Maybe you both are separated. It could be two ways, but you are getting a lot of thoughts about this person, about this relationship. You are unable to move on from this person, and yeah, even though it is difficult for you, but you decided to cut off this person because this person is toxic for you and you want freedom and you want happiness. You want to let go of this person, you are trying to let go. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, or Cancer. So let's see your person current feelings and their actions, then we will get more clarity. Yeah, the Wheel, Wheel of Fortune, Divine Timing. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Capricorn. Justice. Communication is coming. They want second chances. Maybe they're thinking about to come towards you and they want second chance. And 10 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, and King of Swords. Maybe your person right now thinking through their logical mind. Right now they're concentrating on their career. 9 of Pentacles energy with King of Swords. Yeah, they're cold. Maybe. And 10 of Pentacles, yeah, they want to offer stability, but this time they were thinking through their logical mind, not their heart space. And 9 of Pentacles, right now your person may be concentrating on their career and financial stability, but they're thinking about second chances also. Let's see their actions, then we'll get more clarity. Capricorn, your person actions towards you. Wow, 2 of Cups. This love is mutual because you also have so much love for this person, but you have to move on. You decided to move on even though it is difficult for you. Yeah, they're coming back. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune again, but in divine timing. Maybe they're waiting for the right time to come towards you. They're coming back, Capricorn, because 2 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and the Chariot, and this, you both could be soulmates. They're taking it very slow, and Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely divine timing plays key role. And the Chariot, yeah, very slow moving energy, but this time maybe your person is very serious about you. Because you decided to move on from this person. Once you gone, they are starting realizing your worth. That's why they're coming back. And 2 of Cups is here. This love is mutual. You also feeling sad without your person. Yeah, they're coming back, but in divine timing. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, again strong Cancer, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see the outcome where this connection is headed on from the universe. Again, Wheel of Fortune. So 7 of Swords and 10 of Wands. Maybe your person hurt you in past. Maybe they treated you as an option. There is some, yeah, there is some toxic and 7 of Swords energy. They may be lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely there is some deception in this connection. That's why you decided to move on from this person. And 10 of Wands, your person may be busy in their work. They are not available to you emotionally. That's why they're taking their time to come towards you. So Temperance, definitely page it's in restoring the balance. I think you're working on to control, to taking your power back, Capricorn. Empress, and 3 of Pentacles. I think there is no partnership between both of you. Your person is also I think in past there is no partnership, but they are coming back to work on this relationship. But beware, because 7 of Swords again, maybe your person is player. I think maybe for some your person may be changing for you. For some maybe your person still playing games with you. So you know your situation very well, more than me. So take decision wisely, because 7 of Swords 2 times, it's not a joke. Definitely there is some toxic energy. Devilish is also here. I think player type energy, player is coming back. So but you are working towards your career and finances. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. They hurt you in past, now coming back for second chances. Since I think there is no trust between both of you. Yeah, trust your intuition, Capricorn. Communication is coming. Waiting. Maybe you are waiting for them to reach out. This could be long distance. And yeah, you decided to cut off. Already you cut off this person from your life. You want best and you deserve best. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Tower, yeah, right now your person undergoing some tower moment. The world, yeah, maybe for some the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again. They are obsessed with you. This person is toxic for you, Capricorn. Ace of Cups, but they have love for you, but toxic. I think for some your person is really changing for you, for some they not, maybe they not. So it depends on your situation totally, because this is general reading, not particularly one person, that's why. So let's see some messages from your person end. I want you back. Text is coming. I fantasize about you. Holding back. Yeah, right now they're taking their time. Don't leave me behind. So yeah, I want you back. They're wanting you back. That's why they're coming back. Text is coming, communication. They're fantasizing about you a lot and holding back. Maybe this message for you, you are holding back because you have no trust. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. Show the world the real you. So don't wear mask. If you have any feelings or any complaints to regarding any person, tell them and show them. So this is the message for you from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.